Hello to you, wherever you happen to be. This is the scene here in the French capital, Paris. We're at the Parc des Princes on a glorious day for football. My name is Derek Ray, and I'm joined for commentary by the former Arsenal and West Ham player, Stuart Robson. And with kick-off just moments away, we really should be in for a magnificent occasion. It's Paris Saint-Germain up against Portugal.
Thanks, Derek. Well, often we talk about the tactics, the individual players that are missing, but so often it's the mentality of the players that...
Chances on. And there it is! The opening goal, the ideal way to start.
Well, here it is again. He goes past his marker so easily with just a drop of the shoulder. And once he gets onto it, he just smashes it past the keeper with great technique. What an emphatic finish that is.
Well, back underway, and 1-0 it is. Let's see what happens next. That's a fairly easy save for any keeper to make. Well read to win possession back. Plenty of forward momentum here, but can they produce? Putting his body on the line. And a poor ball. Mbappe. The keeper diving magnificently to make sure he got there. Well, he'll be irked with himself. Ran into an offside position. Poor attempt at a pass, really. Getting in there to intercept. That's how to blunt the edge of the opposing attack. Mbappe. It did look on for them, but not to be. That's very effective, good high pressing. Cut out by Kimpembe. It has gone over the touchline for what will be a throw-in. Excellent assessment of the situation at the back. He's failed to hold it, Neymar. Will they get themselves level here? And they've done it to square the game once again. Exhilarating.
Well, as we see it again, he was never going to miss that, was he? That's a really simple finish in the end.
So back underway. They've levelled it at 1-1 here. Well, a bad pass it was. It's a splendid run by Mbappe. This looks more than decent. Clean challenge. Might be a chance here. A very timely interception. Well, he's thwarted him almost effortlessly. And it's Messi going forward. What's he going to do next? Neymar is at the back post. Must take the lead here. And they have. You've got to say, it has been coming.
Well, here it is again, and what a perfect cross into the box this is. Just inviting someone to attack it, and the finish is just as good. That's an excellent goal.
So on with the match. 2-1 is the scoreline. What's going to happen next? Oh, maybe the equaliser. Well, that was a gilt-edged opportunity for the equaliser.
Well, I'm not sure how he's missed the target from there. That's a poor effort.
They've lost possession, Paris Saint-Germain. A wonderful intervention. The referee spotted the infringement, and it will be a free kick in a position of genuine menace. Oh, what an exquisite goal! Absolute perfection.
Well, I certainly won't get tired of watching this because this is a brilliant piece of skill. He imparts so much spin on the ball as well as getting it up and over the wall.
So back underway, the game having been squared at 2-2. Fine run from Mbappe, but they dealt with the threat posed. Tremendous ball played through. Oh, and it goes! Now he has his hat-trick. A special moment for him.
Well, here's the goal again, and what a wonderfully weighted pass this is. While the movement in the box is equal to it, it's such good timing. What a goal.
Well, back underway, and a glut of goals here. 3-2. Silva. Very good reading of the game to win possession back. Well, getting very close to the half-time interval, and it's a narrow lead for the visitors to this point. Stuart, how would you assess what we've seen?
Well, we've had everything in this first half.
Oh, hang on, Stuart, it's a chance. Really important tackle. Jota plays it back. Well, it's all going so swimmingly for them here. Another goal. And now it's a matter of avoiding any silly mistakes.
Well, here's the replay. He's done well to get his head up, pick out a teammate, and from there, he never looked like missing. That's a lovely goal.
So the current scoreline, 4-2. Oh, beating his opponent with ease. Excellent assessment of the situation at the back. And he made that interception look routine. In truth, it wasn't. Ronaldo, putting his body on the line. Ronaldo! And there it is! 3 goals in front now. An immense performance.
Well, as you can see, he beats the defenders so easily with a change of pace, and then it's a decent finish. That's a very good goal, you have to say.
Well, you've got to say, an incredible first-half performance. That scoreline tells you all you need to know. Oh, surely. Oh, terrific save from the keeper.
Well, that's just a wonderful save. How did he stop that?
It's Neymar's corner. Dealt with that ball comfortably. And so the half-time whistle has gone here at the Parc des Princes in Paris. Well, we're focusing on Cristiano Ronaldo for a reason, Stuart. Fair to say, he's been at his brilliant best.
Well, he's been so effective today. He's scored goals, he's created chances, and he's had so many touches in the top third of the pitch. He's been brilliant.
Well, the ball is moving again, and no sugarcoating it. There was a big gulf between the sides in the first half. Will we see a response from PSG in the second? And a throw-in forthcoming. Happy to take on the shot. Well, he's just spooned it over the top. Danilo Pereira. Going well. And it might be. Chance maybe. Well, there's a keeper on song.
Well, how did he stop that? That's just unbelievable.
And taken short. Regained possession. Can they do something positive on the counter-attack? Well, with tackling like that, the onus is on the referee to take action, potentially. Well, deemed to have been a cautionable offence.
Well, no question about it. He deserved his booking there.
The cut back. Splendid defending. Tremendous ball played through. Oh, and that is an audacious chip. Well, he might smile. The goalkeeper has no interest in smiling. So they restart the game, and only one team in it. Cut out by Kimpembe. Joao Felix. Splendid defending, and it needed to be. Marquinhos. Cleared away comprehensively. Fired in by Neymar. Well, a bit short with the clearance. Well, spot on with that challenge. Well, not the pass he had in mind. Good tackle. He's taken on his opponent here, and it's offside. That was very close.
Well, as expected, Portugal have had more of the ball so far. They've passed it well, their movement's been good, and they've been well worth their lead. Could get even better here.
Still possibilities. And problem solved for now. Under pressure, doesn't seem to be bothering him. Decent progress with the ball at his feet. Can he take advantage? That's a great stop.
Well, his reflexes are so good there. That's a fantastic stop.
Who can they pick out? Well, a struggle to get it away properly. Gay. A real defensive commitment there. Well, the conditions look pretty good for the counter-attack. Well, that break looked so promising, but nothing coming from it. Oh, he's gone for goal. Oh, a goal! And a moment the goalkeeper would like to forget all about.
Well, here it is again, and you have to say, he looks so uncomfortable with the ball at his feet. He's cost his team a goal here.
Well, if there were any lingering doubts about the outcome, surely they now have been removed. Can they convert? Oh, burying them beneath an avalanche of goals. No let-up here.
Well, here it is again, and it's a superbly weighted through ball to break that defensive line. And then the finish is fairly simple in the end. That's a good goal.
Well, they did have the ball, but not anymore. It's a good-looking ball in behind. Majestic piece of goalkeeping.
Well, he loves the big moments, doesn't he? And he's proved it again there. Great goalkeeping.
Joao Cancelo. Felix. Clean challenge. And into the last 15 minutes of action. He's in behind. And it's It's come off the keeper. Great pressure to win the ball back. Surely. A goal here. Giving his team precisely what they were looking for. Now he deserves to celebrate it.
Well, here we can see it again. Look at the way he glides past the defender to create space for himself. And he makes the finish look so easy. What a good goal that is.
Well, if you enjoy high-scoring contests, this has been the game for you. Can he put it away? Crucial intervention just then amid impending danger. And he could be in proper trouble here. And the keeper more than equal to it. So on the cusp of the final whistle, and the visitors very much in command, Stuart.
Well, the result has never really been in doubt, has it? They've created so many chances with some brilliant attacking play.
They could be in here, Stuart. A goal! We're really being spoiled. This is attacking football at its finest.
Well, let's see this again. He tries to run out with the ball. He has the ball taken off of him. He's made the wrong decision, and suddenly the ball's in the back of the net. Terrible defending.